हेलो हेलो हेलो। ज्यांच्या ऑलरेडी सायलेंट हॅलो हॅलो श्री सलमान लक्षात आहे.
चांगल्याने उभे राहा ना. फोटो तुमचा UCN वरती चालला ना तो. हाँ हंसताय त्यांच्या समोर.
सबके हाथ ऊपर, डबल हैंड डिस्टेंस लो.
इसका लाइन में तो खड़ा. दोनों का बीच में लग जा. क्या करना लाइन ज्वाइन करो.
स्टैंड पे जाने देना, स्टैंड रखा. जय श्रीमान
नहीं नहीं आप
With a big round of applause. Put your hands together for our guests for the action. A single tiny flame has the power to drive away the deepest darkness. दीप ज्योतिर नमोस्तुते शुभम करोति कल्याणम आरोग्यम सुख संपद शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशाय आत्मा ज्योति नमोस्तुते. May I now invite our esteemed guests to kindly light the traditional lamp.
शैलपुत्री च द्वितीयं ब्रह्मचारिणी तृतीयं चन्द्रघण्टेति कूष्माण्डेति चतुर्थकम् प्रथमं शैलपुत्री च द्वितीयं ब्रह्मचारिणी तृतीयं चन्द्रघण्टेति कूष्माण्डेति चतुर्थकम् पञ्चमं स्कन्दमातेति षष्ठं कालरात्रेति.
May I now request our distinguished guests to take their... This devotional song beautifully highlights and praises Ma Durga's role as a savior, protector, and the embodiment of divine saint, along with Mrs. Aarti Apure, Mrs. Monali Mendule, Dr. Jyotimani Rock, Mrs. Vandana There, Mrs. Vidhi Bhatt, Mrs. Ashwini Mukkawar, Mr. Girdhar Kuware, and Mr. Ashwin Kalamkar. Adding to
लक्ष्मी
Lakshmi Bidri ma'am with the sacrament. To welcome our guests. Rich culture, deep-rooted traditions and an undying spirit of celebration. Here in Nagpur too, they have become an integral part of the city, contributing
आज के इस पावन पर्व पर हमारे बीच में नागपुर डिवीजन के डिविजनल कमिश्नर श्रीमती विजयलक्ष्मी बिद्री जी आए हैं, उनका स्वागत है। साथ साथ नागपुर के माहिती आयुक्त श्री गजानन जी निंदो ये भी हमारे बीच में हैं। हमारे बंगाली एजुकेशन सोसाइटी का सेक्रेटरी श्री प्रदीप जी गांगुली, हमारे ट्रेजरर श्री सुजीत संयुक्ता। दोस्तों, ये मैम ये जो पूजा है ये बेसिकली बंगाली ही लोगों का मतलब सबसे बड़ा फेस्टिवल है दुर्गा पूजा। और आप देखेंगे कि कहीं भी बंगाली अगर 10-15 होगा ही, नागपुर का सबसे पुराना पूजा यही है। ये फेस्टिव मूड में रहेंगे। नागपुर का सबसे ओल्डेस्ट 115 साल कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं। 115 साल से एक समय ये धनतोली बेसिकली बंगाली लोगों का ही एरिया था। हमारा बंगाली एसोसिएशन का जो ऑफिस है वो भी इस एरिया में है। ये सब चाहे प्रताप नगर हो, चाहे काटोल रोड हो, वेस्ट नागपुर में भी एक पश्चिम नागपुर दुर्गा पूजा कमेटी है। तो क्योंकि हम स्कैटर्ड यहाँ के मुझे लगता है कि नागपुर काफी मिला के बंगाली पॉपुलेशन करीब मुझे लगता है कि 1 लाख में, और उसका पूरा आधार स्तंभ यही रहा, यही पूरा इस संगठन ये जो हम स्कूल में भी ये हमारे स्कूल वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्कूल्स है शहर रहते हैं। आपको मालूम होगा बंगाली लोगों का सबसे बड़ा उत्सव शुरू हो गया है माँ, उसके बाद दूसरे आप मैं सबसे बड़ा कार्य में आप शरीफ हुए तमाम नागपुर के लोगों की तरफ से एसोसिएशन की तरफ से आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू यू
Guest Sri Gajanan Nimdev sir, a veteran journalist and editor who has now officially taken charge as the State Information Commissioner, Nagpur Bench. He is known for his 34 years of service in journalism. Sir began his journalism journey with a Marathi daily where he worked as a journalist and editor. He went on to become the chief editor of Tarun Bharat Nagpur. Beyond journalism, Sir was deeply involved in academic and social initiatives like guiding aspirants for government job, having authored 7 books for MPSC preparations. He also has many awards to his credits, including the Maharashtra government's Mahatma Gandhi Addiction De-Addiction. Today, sir, I now invite Sri Gajanan Nimdev sir.
आपल्या नागपूर महसूल विभागाचे आयुक्त विजयलक्ष्मी बिद्रीजी, बेंगॉली असोसिएशनचे अध्यक्ष आमच्या सगळ्यांचे मित्र श्री प्रदीप कुमार मैत्रजी, बेंगॉली असोसिएशनचे सर्व सन्माननीय पदाधिकारी, या ठिकाणी उपस्थित सर्व बंधू आणि भगिनींनो, आज नवरात्रीचा प्रारंभ झालेला आहे। घटस्थापना संपूर्ण महाराष्ट्रासह संपूर्ण देशात घटस्थापना झालेली, या ठिकाणी माता दुर्गेचं आगमन झालेलं आहे। नुकताच एक चैतन्यमय वातावरण निर्माण झालेलं आहे। आदिमाता महामाया जी आपल्याला सगळ्यांना शक्ती प्रदान करते, ऊर्जा प्रदान करते अशा दुर्गा मातेचं आगमन वातावरणात बंगाली असोसिएशनकडून साजरा केला जाणारा हा दुर्गा उत्सव नागपूर शहरातील बंगाली भाषी आमच्या सगळ्या बांधवांचा सर्वात जुना उत्सव आहे. जो सगळ्यात मोठा उत्सव म्हणून साजरा होतो तो दुर्गा मातेचा उत्सव आहे. आज संपूर्ण बंगालमध्ये एक चैतन्यमय आनंदाचं वातावरण निर्माण झालेलं आहे आणि त्याचीच प्रचिती बंगाली असोसिएशननी या आपल्या सगळ्यांच्या नागपूर शहरात आणून दिलेली आहे. मी नवरात्रीनिमित्त आपल्या सगळ्यांना मनापासून शुभेच्छा देतो. या ठिकाणी मला बोलवलं, माझा सन्मान केला, दुर्गा मातेची पूजा करता आली, यासाठी मी बंगाली असोसिएशनला मनापासून धन्यवाद देतो. नमस्कार.
Us in today's celebration. Today we are truly honored to have Srimati Vijayalakshmi Bidri ma'am as our guest, and it is my proud privilege to introduce her. She is a distinguished officer of the Indian Administrative Service 2001 branch. She is an All India topper of the UPSC Civil Services examination and holds a degree in Computer Science Engineering from RV College of Engineering, Bangalore. Currently serving as the Divisional Commissioner of Nagpur, Madam Bidri has earlier held many key positions, including Controller at ISRO's URSC, Director of Information Technology for the Government of Maharashtra, and Collector of Sindhudurg. Successful rollout of the UID, that is Aadhaar project in Maharashtra, promotion of women's empowerment, and support for major ISRO missions like Chandrayaan 3 and Aditya L1. She has also been honored with prestigious awards such as the Mahatma Gandhi Prize for Communal Harmony, the Pride of Karnataka Award, and the SS Gadkari Award for impact wherever she has served. Ma'am, we are privileged to have you amidst us today. May I now request Vijayalakshmi Bidri ma'am to address the gathering.
सबको नमस्कार and first of all a very happy Durga Puja celebrations to all of you, and thank you very much for inviting me and making me a part of your celebration today. This place has such a big heritage. I was just reading your Dinanath Vidyalaya, as it's been formed in doing this Durga Puja with all the Bengali community here. As Dada was just telling some time back, that because of the railways, that is the Bengal and Nagpur railway, there is a lot of Bengali community in Nagpur, and that is what I get to know. But I think no other part of Maharashtra has such a big Bengali community. And here Dantoli has been probably the area where everybody settled first, and it's probably some place where you all want to come back for the. I lived in Assam for 2 years. I was probationer in Tezpur, and then my husband was that time posted in Tripura. So I did going east of India from Bengal to Assam to Tripura. A lot of celebrations there, and it's like I think the biggest festival. To bring all that fervor, festivities, your culture here and coming together, and also the young children who are studying in the school here, we are also able to learn all this, because the next generation will miss out on doing things if they don't see what you are doing. And I believe this is a rich heritage you are passing on to them. And not only that, your festival is very colorful also. Like we see a lot of things on Instagram, on Facebook, everybody's all decked up, dressed up. Today also the women sang so beautifully. And so I think with this big heritage, almost 115 years of doing puja and the exhibition also. And we've been supporting the school earlier, and are going to be associated with our mother tongue. We are going to be associated with our culture, our heritage, and that is what makes us all very unique. And you are presenting that in Nagpur in a very beautiful way. And I think it's this Bengali institution is a one part of this whole thing. And thank you very much once again. Happy Durga Puja to all of you. Namaskar.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your gracious words and for blessing this occasion with your valuable presence. It is time now to express our heartfelt gratitude to all who worked hard to make this program possible. And to do so formally, I now invite.
Thank you, ma'am. I deem it my precious occasion. At the outset, I would like to thank our esteemed guests, Srimati Vijayalakshmi Bidri ma'am, Shri Gajanan Vindhya sir, for their gracious presence on this occasion. I take this opportunity Nagpur, the State Police Department, the press and media, both electronic and print, Indian Gymkhana. I express my sincere gratitude towards our principal, Shri Alok Kumar Sinha sir, for his constant guidance and support. An event cannot be successful without a dedicated team of people who work tirelessly behind the scenes. My gratitude to all team members of both the educational institutes under the aegis of Bengali Education Society for their extensive cooperation being possible. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the volunteers, students and parents for their support and cooperation. Thank you all once again. Have a great year ahead.
So as we conclude the formal inaugural with strength, joy and harmony, may this Durga Puja exhibition spread light
Secretary of Bengali Association.
Sir, you retired from here,
He is not treasurer. He was commissioner. Here Rakesh Shah is also active. Rakesh was taking him. He tried as additional. Ma'am, to other he was DG of like DG of police. We were the people.
Namaste.
Audience, please give a heartfelt applause.
Mucho, mucho,
so special. To our respected teachers, thank you for your guidance and encouragement. To the parents, thank you for your constant support and being with us today. And to our wonderful performers, your dedication, energy and talent brought the stage to life and filled it with a festive spirit. With your love and blessing, this event has truly been a celebration of joy and togetherness. Thank you and Jai Ma Durga. To end the program, let us rise with pride, carrying the festive spirit and unity in our hearts, and join us in singing the Vande Mataram.
श्यामला मातरं वन्दे